Now pennod pedwar. I notice you use the side of your sword when fighting. How come? Because I'm not that evil. Those creatures try to kill Ray and you. In a situation like that, you have to kill. It's called a life or death situation. Only kill someone when they try to kill you. Huh. I never thought of it that way. He's asleep. Come over here, you two. He's heavy. This is your first test. Now remember, only hit the bad guys. Hey! Hitting someone is not that easy. Try again. Ow! Ow! If you leave your face open, you're gonna get smacked. Watch out for them, Rayman. Yes! What did Glowbox tell you?
Your final test.
Ow, my stomach. Are you okay? I'm sorry. No need to say sorry. You won. Follow me. My face is still hurting from that blow. I'm sorry. Nah, it's okay. You did good. Huh. Thanks, man. What the? Run! Run now! Get onto that robot. Four hares rushing through the snow. The iron is cold and grim. Run to survive, but the monster keeps coming. Burn them, crush them, turn them into pancakes, melt them, boil them until they die. Ha 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 ha. Run away, you little cowards! Zap them now. Good one.
Where are we?
Oh no, I've been here before. It's Mr. Dark's castle. Not again. Murphy! Rayman!
Rayman, get off its eyes or you'll kill us all. You're a maniac.
Guys, I can hear something from in here. Follow me. Oh, stop my foot, I stopped my foot, I stopped my foot, I stopped my foot, I stopped my foot. Wow. Ow, that was my sore toe. Rayman, shush. Feeling happy in there. What do you want us for? This. The Great Platoon. Why'd you need us as well? Because if I never caught you, you would hunt me down. And now that I've got you in my possession, I will kill you and use the Great Platoon for my future. You're coming with me. Huh? Someone's coming. I think they're gone. Oh no, the door's locked. So we're locked in. Glowbox, can you help us open this door, please? I'm on it. Ow! Stop stepping on my toe!
Hey guys, I feel something metal.
Fresh batch from the gutter.
Guys!
Huh? That's the hero the boss was on about. I've got something for you.
Cool. Dyna ddiwdd pennod pedwar ac hwyl dda pawb. Hwyl dda.